sing the letters of the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time will you sing with me? Okay, wonderful. So today we're going to look at, when do we always use article are? Yes, article are. Now, we use article are on words that begin with a consonant sound. I have some sounds here, but when I look at my sounds, there are some vowels, and we said only consonants. Could I take them away? This is A, out, E, out, A, out, O, out, and A, out. So we are left with only consonants. Okay, could you try to come up with some words? I'll start with the first one. This is sound. Can we come up with a word? The word hat. Okay, the word hat begins with a consonant. So I'll say a hat. Okay, I have some pictures here. Ta-da! This is my picture. What do you see? It's a goat. Yes, a goat. When you look at the word goat, it begins with the consonant G. So I'll say a goat. I'll say a goat. Wonderful. Let's see. I have this animal. It lives in water. Did you know that? Okay. It starts with sound. So I'll say a frog. A frog. Okay. Let me check. Ta-da. Ah, the king of the jungle. It is a lion. A lion begins with letter L. So I'll say a lion. A lion. Okay, let's see if we have other words. I feel like eating. Okay, this is a fork. Okay, a fork begins with a letter F. So we shall say a fork. A fork. Great. Let's see. Ta-da. I feel like cutting some mangoes. I have a knife. Okay, I'll say a knife. A knife. Okay, let's see what teacher Sharon has got for us. A dog. I love dogs. So I'll say a dog. Because the word dog begins with sound D or letter D. So we shall say a dog. Okay. I have another picture here. It's a picture of a drum. So we shall say a drum. A drum. Okay, children, let's see. Oh, baby, I have another doll here. Do you love dolls? I also have a doll because I'm a girl. Okay, we shall say a doll. A doll. Okay, let's see. I have another picture here. It says meow, meow, meow. Okay, you have cats at home. I also have one at home. Okay, so it will say a cat. A cat. Okay, let us look at another one. My daddy has a nice car. So I'll say a car. A car. Okay, let's see. Some of you enjoy sleeping all the time. They tell you, wake up and go and do your work. You want to sleep in the bed. So I'll say a bed. A bed. Okay, children, we have very many words. I even have this, what I always use when I'm carrying my books. A bag. A bag. All right, children, remember we always use article are on words that begin with a consonant sound or a consonant letter. Thank you very much. Till next time. Bye-bye. I love you. Always remember to sanitize.